guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to our channel.
Guys, we are back on the Bannerghatta road and today we are touring Soukhya Girls Hostel near to Christ University Bannerghatta Road campus. Soukhya Girls Hostel is one of the oldest PGs around Christ University BGR campus and it's just 5 minutes walk from the Christ University Bannerghatta Road campus. We will be taking a tour of the whole property.
Make sure you watch this video till the very end to know about their cost structure and the facilities they provide.
Without any further ado, let's get started, guys. Hi ma'am, Kavach.
Hi ma'am, Pavni.
Hi Pavni.
Guys, I'm with Sukanya Maam, who's the owner of the Soukhya Girls Hostel near to Christ University Bannerghatta Road campus.
Hi Kavach. I'm Pavni. I'm so glad you guys are here in Soukhya. A lot of our students have watched your videos and they have taken admission in Christ and at the end they have come to Soukhya.
Oh wow.
I'm very happy.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Please come, I will just give you the tour of our hostel.
Yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So, Kavach, before showing you the room, I just wanted to tell you that all the floors we have microwave, water dispenser, as well as we have a refrigerator.
Oh, and this is for common use.
Yes, it is all common. So anybody, if they want to come and sit, chit chat here, they can do it
Oh.
like that.
Okay. Great.
Please come. I will just show you the single room.
Okay. So guys, let's have a look. This is their single sharing room. There is a bed, a huge almirah with like 4 compartments. This can be locked with your own lock, so no one will have a duplicate key to this one. They also have a study table and a bookshelf to store any books or your study material without it getting spoiled. And then to my favorite part, the mirror. It's a full length mirror, so there is no problem. You can look at yourself till your shoes. And there is some space to keep your lenses if you have them. So moving ahead, this is their washroom. This is the WC. There is a wash basin and a mirror. And there are taps right behind the door. So I can't show that. But overall, it's a very good space for one person to stay and very spacious.
I'll take you for the double sharing, that is double type 1. So, please come.
Let's go.
So this is double type 1 we have. You just have it.
Alright. Okay, guys, so this is the double type one that they have. Very nicely, there are 2 beds that are here. There is a study table behind me and a study table here for 2 people. Bookshelves again. And a window for good ventilation. Cupboards are here. I'll just show you the cupboards. Yes, they are very decent sized cupboards. And you have 4 different compartments for the same. Along with that, a very good thing, guys, that I've seen is that there is a lot of upstairs space that you can see. This is where you can store your extra luggage and bags, because once you're coming from home, you'll be getting a lot of things which you might not need, but you need a lot of place to store it. So that's a very good thing that they've created that, so that you can keep all your bags or unnecessary clothes or things related which you don't need currently upstairs. So that's a very good thing. I'll show you the washroom also. This is the washroom. Alright, so as you can see, here's the WC, here's the wash basin, and this is the bathing area. Looks very neat and tidy.
Okay, guys, we have double type 2. I want you just go inside and have a look.
So they basically have a second type of double sharing room that we are going to see now.
Let's go.
And here we go.
Okay.
This is very unique.
Yes, so guys, this double type 2 is very spacious. You have 2 beds, study tables, bookshelves, cupboards.
And if you think that's all the storage you have. They have storage even under the bed to keep extra things. Like your regular clothes, you can just get out here, take out and then wear it. And they also have extra area for shoes to be kept right out. You don't have to open a drawer every time you need to keep your shoes. You can just keep them right here.
Guys, I'll give you a tour of the washroom. So this is the washroom. We have the WC, the wash basin and the bathing area behind. The best part about the double type 2 is the space. I feel that
There
there's
is a lot of
space.
space
Yeah.
here.
So Kavach, this is our dining area where girls they come and have food here. So I'll just show you.
Yes. Okay. So ma'am, how many meals are provided here?
We have 4 times meals over here. Morning breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner.
Oh, amazing. And what about the menu? Do you have more North Indian or South Indian?
We have both because we want we have North also, we have South food as well. So it's not like I want to fulfill only one's expectations. So I have many other girls coming from different states.
Right.
So I want them to make everybody happy. That is the only major.
So ma'am, food is food here?
Yes,
Okay.
everything is
Is
done
that
here.
the
This is a kitchen. We have chef also in house only.
Okay, so yeah, that's the chef room.
Yes, yes. There is one additional which service we give for our students, girls we have. So these girls they will be busy with their things in college with them. So what we do is we pack a different boxes and we drop near to the college gate. What they can do is they can come and collect the different boxes from gate.
Oh, so
and
they
then
don't have to walk for the 5 minutes.
This is a very good thing because girls will be saving a lot of money not paying in the college canteen and
And also you'll be saving a lot of calories because that is really unhealthy. It's a lot of fried food in college.
Right.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
That is
one more thing I want to add is whatever food will be there, it will be kept inside this. So even if you come after 1 hour also, it will be hot.
Wow. Okay. That's really very good. Ma'am, is that the study room?
Yeah, there is a study room over here.
So guys, we are inside the study room. This looks very nice.
It has a very different and very serious vibe to it.
Yeah. And I mean, for if you want peace of mind or if you want to do group work, you can definitely come here.
There are these amazing quotes on the side that are here to motivate you every time you're studying.
Guys, we are on the terrace of Soukhya Girls Hostel. This is also the recreational area and the common area which can be accessed by all the students. I'll show you what's around. Come here. Firstly, this is the play area where they have a table tennis and a carrom. So for all the girls, you can get here and play. Another very nice thing that they have is this common outdoor seating, which I'm pretty sure would be used by a lot of people to come just unwind and relax.
They also have a different type of woodlock seating. It looks so cute and modern. I'm just sitting here for a while.
Guys, the rods that you see here are for hanging your clothes to dry, but this is the washing area which is used by the students to wash their clothes.
Now coming to the best part that we have saved for you at the end is the gym. And here it is. It looks pretty amazing with huge speakers. So workouts are going to be really fun here. And Kavach has found a seating.
Guys, the gym looks very good. It has all the modern equipment from treadmills to your cycling to the dumbbells there, as well
Also
as
there are
yoga
mats.
mats. Yes.
It looks pretty nice.
Yeah, looks very good, and the gym is also huge. Space wise also it's big, right? Yeah.
Also they have a weighing machine, so I'm going to make a weighing machine.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Guys, so we are finally at the end of our tour. But before we end this video, as promised to you, we will be discussing about the facilities they provide and the cost structure.
Yes. So ma'am, what all facilities are like inclusive?
So Kavach, whatever the rent we are taking, those includes all basic facilities. We have Wi-Fi, we have gym, as you saw, indoor games, 4-time food is there. So everything is included. There is no any extra charges for just these things, recreational area. We don't charge anything extra.
So Wi-Fi, electricity, food, your washing area, this common area,
Everything is a
inclusive.
part of the rent.
Yes.
Right.
Ma'am, considering this is a girls' hostel, a lot of parents also have concerns with security. So how do you handle that here?
Pawnee, for sure, this is not just a hostel, it's a family, okay? We are not running a business, but we are giving a service to our parents as well as I'm a helping hand for the kids who comes in. So they are my younger sisters. So don't worry about the security. I request like parents, just come, you have a look around. We have a in-house staff who stays here like 24/7. Even I will be there at the property from morning till evening. And in case if any emergency is there, I stay nearby, I come down. So there will be no problem at all.
And ma'am, we saw like there are CCTV cameras and
Yes,
everything
yes.
is there.
Yes.
Great. All right. And ma'am, what's the like finally the most awaited thing? What's the cost?
Okay, Kavach, the value what we are giving for the room is like compared to any other hostels, we are at the best value. So for double type 1 we charge like 11k and double type 2 we charge 10k. Includes everything, no any extra charges.
And single sharing?
For single one we have 16k.
All right. So guys, the single sharing room is for 16,000 rupees per month. The double sharing type 1 is at 10,000 rupees and the double sharing type 2 is at 11,000 rupees. Ma'am, are there any hidden costs or some maintenance or lock-in period, security? What all is that?
Yeah, security is there, security deposit is there. That is 2 months of the
Okay.
rent.
And that is refundable, right? At the end.
It is not refundable.
Adjustable.
It is adjustable.
Okay. So the last 2 months rent
Yes,
is adjusted.
correct,
Okay.
correct. And there will be only a maintenance charges which is yearly. It's
Okay.
not like
And how much
every
is
month.
that, ma'am?
5,000 it is.
5,000.
Okay.
All right. So this is very good. Okay, ma'am. So what I'll do is I will put down all the details of Soukhya Girls Hostel in the description of this video, so you guys can check it up. I will put down the website details as well as ma'am's number, so anybody who has any queries regarding Soukhya Girls Hostel can directly contact ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much for allowing us to take a tour of the whole property. Ma'am.
Thank you, Kavach. Thank you, Pawnee, for giving your time
No,
to
ma'am.
us.
This is all right.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
So yes, guys, we are almost towards the end of our tour at Soukhya Girls Hostel.
But before, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends to let them know about this property in Bannerghatta Road.
And guys, if you have any doubts, question, queries about this hostel, please let us know. We will surely try reaching out to them and answering your queries. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. At the same time, press the bell icon. See you soon, guys, with another video. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.